Hello, and welcome back to another episode of the Captain of Industry. Welcome back to having problems with this bauxite storage. Okay, so a couple of things. I'm doing this the second time already. I hate the vehicle just they started delivering bauxite here for some reason, but I think this is gonna be taken care of shortly. Okay, so I can do. What if I do this? Will they then deliver it on top of this? I do not know. Space station is doing well. Research is doing well. This is what we're doing now. These are the final researches we're gonna do. That would be breeder reactor is almost done. This is why I started recording this episode, because I expect us to finish breeder reactors in this episode. That's gonna be a rough one, because the breeder reactors are extremely expensive. It's gonna take a while for us to build it. Also, even though they produce some power, first breeder reactor will produce some power, it's not going to be enough for us to run the big operation. Power producing operations, that's gonna be a second reactor, which I highly doubt we're gonna do in this episode, so yeah, just a heads up. Okay, let's go and cover bit by bit. What? Another one? The hell is happening here? Was that the same one? I have no idea. I mean, like, what are you getting there? Oh, provisions. Oh, and we're running out of maintenance as well. So another one is going to be needed. That's fine. That's fine. So, right. So this is where we are. I'm going to just cover by little. Let's go island by island. We have here a huge amount of crushed iron ore. So this is looking good. Titanium is decent, plus we have a full station full of titanium, so no issues there. I'm still kind of focusing on iron. I need to get to the bottom of this. I need to decide from which angle I'm gonna attack this. Probably I'm gonna go all in this area, and then after that we're gonna circle back and finish it off. And the copper caused us a little bit more problems, because it's giving us a lot of rock, but I think the problem we had in last couple of episodes was the recycled materials that we didn't put into the, recycling. We didn't put back into the system, which is being put back in now. You will see here that our copper production is, I wanted to say extremely high, but let's just stick to high. I will just go and double check these conveyor belts. You can see that they're missing some input materials. So I'm gonna just experiment a little bit with this. Just to be sure that we need all of it, because just a moment ago we did not need all of this. I had these guys like literally stopped dead in their tracks. Oh, I moved, okay, let's stick to this one. I moved this grinder a little bit, and I put a balancer over here, and now we have the, oh, what is this? This is the, let's do it this way. Remove this, just so it looks nicer. I guess, like, whatever the game decides, it's good enough. Yeah, so balancer. So the first we're gonna use the local domestic copper, then we're gonna go for imported one, because I don't care about that one that much. The only thing that we're doing here, my atoll is kind of getting a nice shape. So my atoll construction, I want them to fill this with sand. This is very expensive, and it's causing some sand issues. So first I'm gonna put sand in these areas that are marked, and then after that I'm gonna be putting soil, 1 or 2 squares of soil next to it, all around the coast, and it's gonna be ended up with sand at the edges. We'll see how that's gonna look like, but uranium here is almost done. There's almost no uranium left, and I think it kind of shows. I had to reinforce or put this ship back in operation. For some reason, I don't know how this works. The left-hand side or front side of the ship is being emptied faster. They should be balanced, but obviously not. Anyway, so sand, quartz. I'm attacking this mine from this perspective. I dug down. I'm gonna go and clean up this area here, and then I'm gonna build a ramp here after we're done mining all of this stuff. We're gonna build a ramp, and this is gonna be our main entrance to the underworld. And the main thing, I upgraded this. Output is full. Yeah, I upgraded this. We do have a little bit of a rock problem in the manner of we having too much of it. I'm trying to dump it, close up some mines, but it's not working so well for us at the moment. You can see that we're getting even more rock here. I'm just thinking, what can I do here? Can I enclose this part of the mine somehow? Can I create a dumping zone here somehow? If I start dumping now, that's gonna be like... I don't think I can at the moment. Let's see what else we have. There's not... Oh, right, we have this guy here. Yeah, let's go that way. Let's go one in this direction. Oh, let's go more in this direction. This iron mine here is from this area. I will be dumping all of this here. There we go. We'll see what I'm gonna do with this iron for now. I think I'm gonna leave it for as it is. Yeah. Oh, in the meantime, I kind of build this ramp here, or green this ramp here. I think we can do a lot more here with greening, but I have a greening project happening over here, where I'm trying to clear this area for the breeder reactor. This is where I'm thinking of doing it. What is happening here? There we go. Right, so I'm still cleaning this area. This is where I'm gonna put probably next greenhouses. Water, 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 and water all the way there. I don't even know how I'm gonna build this, but oh, by the way, you need to, like, you know, the water pumps cannot be built on their own. You cannot auto build them. The vehicles need to deliver materials, so that's gonna be rough. Anyway, that's one. Oh, water is a problem. Yes, water is a problem. Yeah, I think this is gonna force me to speed up moving of these farms. So something. Let's see what we can do here. Something like this, I guess, and then plonk it somewhere in this area, in this neighborhood. Something like this probably wouldn't be the worst thing in the world. You need to mine the railroad infrastructure that's gonna be related to this. So yeah, the railroad infrastructure is gonna take this much space. This is 9, but 8 greenhouses, and this is how much infrastructure we need. Actually, it's gonna be even more than that, because the products that we have here, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna skip this one. 4. Is that 5? I think that was 5. Yeah, 4, 5 canola. And that's it. 5 different products. Here we have only 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, but I planned for 5. Plus we're gonna have to deliver the fertilizer. So okay, this is gonna work then. I guess this is going to work. So if I maybe I should copy paste the whole thing then. Nah, I'm not gonna have enough space, so I'm gonna do it bit by bit. So if I go for this one, I don't even know where the entrance is. It's on the other side. For the fertilizer, I'm probably gonna put it in this direction. But yeah, I'll let them clean this. I'm probably gonna go even further with removing some or flattening some soil, and I think I'm gonna push this all the way to the end. And I don't know how much more I'm gonna have to grow here, but I'm happy with this. I'm happy with this. And then we're gonna have the probably new station over here. So copy paste this one more time, and this station is gonna be the next level. So something like a so, and finally we will be able to move. Is this it? I don't know. I think this is feng shui. Yeah, well, I mean, this is how I'm envisioning this, but it doesn't have to be that way. We'll see what we're gonna do with this, and once we move all of these greenhouses, I'm thinking about moving these industries, like for example, oil here. I am 100% sure. Oh, yeah. Why am I not producing this? Canola is only one thing. It's canola oil. So canola oil, and it's being used for a couple of things. So we can deliver canola oil directly next to corn, and then plastic is going to be waiting for it here. So canola oil, corn, salt, and yeah, plastics. It's going to be here. So yeah, but we'll see. In any case, we have the already red flags regarding water, but yeah. Ooh, should we do that while we wait? Well, this is done. Breeder reactor is done researching, so, well, you know, a few seconds, and that's gonna be it. I think the best way to see it is like here. Here we go. This into this. One. Another one. This is one more, and boom, breeder reactors. Okay, so we obviously have some water issue, and looks like we had some food failures, but I'm not too bothered by that. I think we have somewhat of food overproduction. Water is a concern, but this is the bread and butter of our. You know what? Let's go with this. We're only in the beginning of the episode, so why not screw our lives up and just focus on something else, and then not have time to finish the original thing. Okay, so let's go and deal with this. So I'm gonna go and copy the train station setup here, and I have no idea where I want this placed, but looks like we do have space for it here. So well, let's do a little bit of trimming here. So this is going to be a water. I think I'm happy with that. I don't know what this is. This is the fertilizer. This is water, and then we have these things delivering things. None of this is gonna be. None of this is okay. All of this needs to be removed. Stations as well. Storages and stations, because it's gonna be U-shaped conveyor belt. Yeah, mostly U-shaped conveyor belts. I'll leave these because I don't know what's gonna be needed here, and this is for import of fertilizer, which is also gonna be a thing. So I guess this is let's remove it like so. Okay, so let me just double check if I removed everything. Yeah, these two outputs, I think they should be also. I'll probably change this where the water is, because I am probably gonna put it first in that direction. It doesn't. No, that's pipes. Pipes can be anywhere. That's fine. But I might do it in this direction. Okay. So what are we talking about here? We're gonna have 5 different products. That would be, well, they're already there. So and I'm definitely not doing this. I think we had a. What did we have less of? Was it wheat? I don't want to do this wrongly. Corn. No, corn. Yeah, corn was complaining all the time. So I need to go to this farm. And instead of trees, we're going to put corn. And this needs to go and be cut. Input on this side. I'm happy with that. Just looking where everything is going. I guess this is it. So input over here goes all the way there, and we have space for expansion as well. Conveyor belts. We don't need fat conveyor belts, only U-shaped ones. I will be removing them because they're gonna go on the ground level. We don't have anything. Whoa. We don't have anything on the ground level that needs to be transported. Sorry, that on flat conveyor belts, so that should be fine as well. Okay, there we go. So, let's go one by one. I guess corn is gonna be the first one. So, or the last one, I guess. I think I'm gonna just go and do it all the way here. And this corn, I'm pretty sure we're gonna have the most of it coming in this direction. Tight. I guess we can do it tight. Okay, let's go from this side. Let's go for the smallest conveyor belts and then work from there. Well, oh, there we go. Problem. Boom, boom, boom. Let me see this. Looks like it's... Yeah, a lot of this stuff here, I didn't clean it that well. I don't really care that much about it. Okay, maybe I pushed it too hard in this direction. Let's see how the conveyor belts react. I could have gone one square in the opposite direction, so maybe that wouldn't be the worst thing. Oh, okay. Okay, I think I made a mistake here. I think I'm gonna have to push it a little bit further. So let's go like this. Okay, this looks like it's clean here. Let's see if this is a bit better. If I remove this elevated part here to here, can I build it on the ground? Yeah, looks like this is much better. And then we have this part here. Okay, do it from here to here. Yeah, my biggest problem here is water. I'm kind of worried that water is not going to be adequate for the nuclear reactors. So, okay, I don't know if I should be focusing on this, but I'm gonna have to upgrade these anyway eventually, so... Yeah, by the way, I'm still leaving this for growth, at least like 2, maybe 3 farms? 2 farms, let's say 2 farms in that direction. Just expansion of what we might need. Okay, I'm gonna start with this. This is going to go like this. I already tested this way before. So this is going to be left-hand side from here. Oh, let's go right-hand side and from here. No, it's the J button. There we go. Okay. I think I'm gonna play with the pillars later, but I'm relatively happy with this. So this one goes in there. Let's go for this one going here. And yeah, looks good. The problem is I need this one first. Oh, I said I'm gonna be redoing this. Let's do that now. I'm gonna be rebuilding this one. That means yoink and yoink. Unity, all the unity. Unity of the world unite. Okay, and now we need these guys. Are not removable. Much better, much better. So from here... yeah, way better, I think. And this is straight in that direction, straight in that direction. Yeah, this is gonna be different trains are gonna be working here. As you can see here, we have two of them waiting. This is gonna be mostly those. We will have the... oh, how is this gonna look like now? Oh, shoot. Oh, no. Poop. Poop. Oh, I don't like this. They have like these weird thingy-make-jiggies. Can you just make a nice, smooth transition here? Oh, God. Okay, I don't like this. Okay. Something like that. I'm just gonna do it this way. Okay, let's do it from this side. Okay, so from here, I need it to be parallel to this one. It's pretending to be. It's not perfect, but I don't think I care. I think I'm gonna just leave... Wait. No, we can fix this. I can fix her. Shit. Okay, and here... I'm gonna go one earlier, just to be... Oh, that looks way better, I think. There we go. We're gonna need... Do we need the overpass? Oh, no, nobody's gonna go in this direction. Okay, let's start making this, because we're gonna need steel for that. And rail infrastructure. Nah, we have everything. I think that's fine. And here is... Oh, missing rail. That's fine, let it recover. This is what we expected. No panic. No woman, no cry. Okay, let's do this. And then from here... I think that would be it. Okay, so I think this is going to be it. The angles are, marks and angles, so that's all fine. We're gonna need a little bit more railroad. Whoa, soybeans, water, mining designation, that would be... Yeah, that's uranium mining. I'm still kind of worried about this area here. I think I'm gonna still be a brave little monkey and go for some pieces over here to see how they're gonna be reacting. I don't know about this one, boys. This doesn't look good. But I know that this one here, it's not supposed to be like that. Let's do it this way. Yeah, I think that's it. The uranium, I might I might think that that's it. We'll see. But for now, you do that. Soybeans, water looks like it's a big problem. Our space flights actually was a problem as well. I redirected a lot of water from this area there, and we do have now the sour water processing that is in quite large. I'm thinking about how is this sour water doing. It's doing fine. Yeah, I need to see what I'm gonna do with these guys. Slag is now fine. Sour water is being processed, all of it. Well, this one is not empty yet, but it doesn't matter because the ship is not full anyway, so not a problem. I'm experimenting with offices as well, but not even close. Okay, so let's go and build next batch of railroad. Is this enough? I have a feeling I won't be able to build some of those, but nobody's gonna deliver anything anyway. So let's see. No available place to dump products. Why is it so? Because there's a rock issue. Okay, it looks like this rock issue might be bigger than I expected. I might have to just go for it and then just designate a lot of areas for dumping. Okay. Leave it like that. Low supply of sand. Yeah, sand is a problem. That looks like the silicone is not working as it should. That means we need to deliver this, take this away. This one is in charge, but I see that I think this is the problem here. We don't have enough. We don't have enough vehicles taking stuff out of here. I think I'm gonna go and mark even further on all in all directions, just so they have a bigger surface that they can dump. So they're gonna choose to dump somewhere else. Struggling to find the area to dump. Okay, so we are okay. That's easy to resolve. Let's go like this. Let's do like this. Oh, you can't. Oh. You can't go there. Okay, let's try this. Can you pass now? I think this is the problem for it. Look at here. Okay, this doesn't look like it's good either. Let me just move these as well. Yeah, come on. There's a passage. Oh, but maybe this one here is a problem as well. Come on. Okay, there's a passage. Boom, there we go. Okay, that one is resolved. We need water, we need sand. Well, water. I think I'm gonna go and... oh, water is recovering. This is the water for the farms. Okay, let's speed this up. 60. Okay, so that's gonna take a while for us to recover. Yeah, I can't build all of the... How much rail is this gonna require? 1000 rail. Let me just check how this is doing. Okay, let's do this. 64 per minute. That's way better. That's gonna definitely stock us up faster. Okay, the breeder reactors. Let's touch upon them. Wait, do I want to? Water infrastructure is gonna be important. L. Water is there. I will build pipes from there to here. Where is this guy going? Is he going through here? Oh yeah, he is going. Looks like this is the path he's taking. I'm just wanting to see where I can put the pipes, because these pipes I want them to go all the way here first. You know what? I'll do it this way. So we're gonna have the big storage for fertilizer and big storage for water. Which one is which? Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. These guys, we said we're gonna do corn from these. Whoa. Did I really push it that far? Okay. I did not think that I pushed it so much in that direction. Wait, does it mean that then I can push this one further there? Do I need to? Do I want to? No, conveyor is not a problem. I don't care about conveyor. I don't care about conveyor. There was some collision here, but I don't know what it was. But I think it's better this way. As long as these guys are feng shui, I'm gonna be fine with that. So water is not gonna be important here. Okay, so we need water. L again, I'm gonna just keep it a little bit to the right here, and water is gonna, how much is, I'm gonna go for 4 water pumps here. I think this is gonna definitely, I don't know. I wanna say this is definitely gonna be enough for our setup, but I can't guarantee that because you never know. This is going to be tricky because around here we're gonna have overpasses and underpasses for all the different things that need to be combined into one. So I guess I'm gonna have to go and avoid the building, avoid the difficult questions. Like this, and then rotate, boom, that's it. This is where the corn is gonna go, and corn is gonna be the last one. Okay, what's gonna be before the last one? That's gonna be, I don't know, let's go with wheat. So playing. Wow, it's already 12%. Wow, towards rocketry. Looks like they're really set into wheat. Into making this hard for us. Okay, so wheat goes in here, and let's say that the next one is going to be wheat. So this is going to be corn. Corn. And here we're going to go just for corn. Wheat is gonna be the next one, and then next one is going to be wheat, canola. Soybeans, canola. So soybeans, canola, and poppy. Soybeans. Okay, let's go with trains, and then we're gonna go for stations. Yoink and yoink, and here yoink and yoink. And then here, yoink and yoink. There we go. We're gonna go for big ones. That is it. This is gone. Okay, and fertilizer needs to be delivered here. Okay, we have now bigger railroad construction. We are almost up to 300. Let's start spending some of this goodness. I want fertilizer to be delivered as soon as possible. And these guys here, can you please build them? The problem here is going to be zoning. So cheating about zoning is like this. We need the mid-zone. Is that mid-zone? No, this is the copper. Yellow, yeah, that's it. Edit areas. There we go. So I'm pretty sure vehicles are on the way here. Okay, so we are doing this now. Wheat needs to go. Where are we gonna go? 1 and 2. We need 2 in this direction. Might as well. Okay, let's go with this one. I'm gonna go for the smallest one as well. Oh god, what the hell are you doing? There we go. So this is going to be wheat. Wheat needs to be connected to other wheat, which is over here. I think this is the best way of doing it. Okay, what's next? We're gonna have the third one. That's gonna be, let's go soybeans. U-shape. Boom. Select soybeans. Copy it so I don't have to deal with the settings, and boom. Okay, and soybeans can then go in this direction. So I'm gonna go from here. Hold on. There we go. So soybeans are here, and they need to go from here to this one. And soybeans, we have canola. We have canola and poppy. Let's do both of those first at the same time. So we're gonna go for canola. Shit. We're gonna go. I should probably go the reverse because, like, as soon as we get stuff off the conveyor belt, could be the best. Whatever. Okay. You know what? No, I don't care. This is gonna be poppy, and this is gonna be canola. Canola. Okay. Copy. And copy. There we go. So I'm guessing this one is here. The next one is gonna be, let's go in this direction. That's gonna be canola. We're just gonna go straight forward. Okay, so I'm gonna say that that's canola, and then I'm happy with that. So how do I connect it all the way here? Looks like the smartest way is this way. And then poppy, I'll do it on this side. This one is going here, but I'm gonna have to go all the way there to bypass the... that was the vehicles, that was the vehicles. Okay. Boom. Okay, that's it. That's it. How are we doing with the railroads? 300. Not enough unity. What the hell? What is happening to you people? Household? Oh, we do have a research on Max. Okay, that's fine. Perfectly. We have, that's a lot of unity, and I'm building like crazy. Sure. Not a problem. We will speed this up. Do I want to focus on something else? Let's see. This water here, I need them to start filling water. So I would like to build it probably from here. From here. Okay, looks like conveyor belts are good height. I like that. This is all going to be bigger. Okay, this is not even that expensive. That's good, good, good. Let's start building this. Come on. Oh, I built it that way. I don't like that, but fine. Okay, let's build this bigger and this build bigger. So who is trying to come here? Can you not, please? There we go. There we go. Now this guy needs to be filled up, and we don't have enough unity to build this. Not enough unity. Low supply of antibiotics. Why is that so? Is it sugar again? No, why are you having antibiotics problems here? 52% input materials missing, is it? What? Oh, oxygen. 32? 888. Oh, water. Yeah. It's water problems that we have. Yeah, sure. Look, I'm working on it. This is the main thing. Okay, we're gonna be recovering some unity by us focusing on the coffee first. And antibiotics, electronics. Go away. Silicon poly. Yeah, that's a sand related issue. How are we doing with sand? Yeah, at least rocks are gone. They're loading some rocks now. So why are... Oh, mining designation. Yeah, here we go. I think I would like to try this then. Pure quartz, because looks like this is yeah, we just need to restock the sand. I'm gonna double this production as well. I just need to get rid of some of these rocks. Actually, you know what, let's do it now. So let me show you what I'm thinking about here. We're gonna expand the production of sand here, so this needs to go away. Thank you. And then this one needs to go away. Might as well look nice while we're doing all of this, right? This is the I can do this now. Sand, the rocks. So here, rocks. And here sand. Okay, so we have the dirt first. This way. And then the rocks. This way. This is how it's supposed to look like, and this needs to be rotated. So copying F, boom. And I think this is, it's not free. I thought it was free. Like Palestine. Let's go and build this one. So when we rotate this one, we're gonna be able to squeeze another one of these machines here. Like this, but it needs to be built first. This one. There we go. So now we can have this one, and from this one we can do yoink. And do we want to do it this way? No, we need a lot of exits. We can do something like this, but I don't see the point in that. And then from here we can we're gonna have to probably just connect it more to this. But initially we need to start producing. On pause. There we go, we need to start producing quartz. Even this one working, it's gonna be a good step forward. Okay, so we have a copper mine here that we need to deal with. So I will do sweat the small stuff. Let's go with leveling. Okay. like this. Let's do this one first, and then the last one is coal. What I'm trying to do here with coal is this. I'm trying to go and extend this passage a little bit, and then I'm gonna dig into the black stuff here, maybe even one more in this direction. But as you can see here, the coal is, like I said, we are using very little coal, so this is not a problem. Okay, time is kind of not on our side now. I wanted to start delivering some of the fertilizer here. So that would be one of my biggest things I would like to do. How is water doing here? Not good, because we didn't build it. So let's start storing water. That's gonna be a big deal. Which one is water? Water is lower one. Really? Was I that stupid? Yeah, this is water, this is fertilizer. That's fine. Lower one is water. I mentioned this several times, it doesn't matter. Water is lower one, so... there we go, and then fertilizer. Yeah, it can just go this way. Not a problem. When we get fertilizer here, I can just... well, we need to build everything so we can start delivering stuff. We need to build even here so we can deliver stuff. Some of the stuff that is like has one purpose... No, seriously, I'm considering... are we supposed to be making this stuff there? Because canola oil... should I build canola oil? That's a good point. Do I just turn everything into canola, all the canola into oil? But then overproduction of canola won't be able to be delivered here, because we're gonna have a problem with fine-tuning the overproduction. We won't be able to deliver it here. I think for now I'm gonna just deliver it here, but do I build industrial areas? Like, what needs to be consumed? What can only be consumed from these products? Nothing. Everything has to be... Well, corn. I can do corn. The problem with corn is it's so much needed in only few things. Like in my setups, I use corn for animal feed and for snacks. And humans consume it, like people eat it in the food market, and that's it. These are the three purposes of corn, but it's needed in such a big quantities, like in both of these things. So, for example, yeah, I'm thinking about building corn processing somewhere close to here. Canola thing, it's still something that is on my mind, but I will be... I think I'm gonna still have to think about this. This guy is pushing me here. My dude is pushing me. Look at this. This is kind of taking shape as I want it to be. The problem I have here that I don't think I can scrape any more uranium from here. So I think we're done with this. So I think I'm gonna stop mining here. So yeah, let's go and move you all away. Okay, if I move you all away, what's gonna happen with these guys when they flood the market, huh? Yeah, that's a fun. So what is happening here? They say there's trucks. What? Oh, what? Nice. Ah, right. There we go. Boom. Tower, no mining designation. I don't need it for mining designation. Can I just pause it? Yeah, it disappears the message. Yeah. But I don't know if they're gonna disappear the... I don't need them to mine anything, just leave it. Whoa. Why are you guys not... Move away. You are not needed there anymore. Oh, maybe I'm gonna have more vehicles delivering sand now. The sand, that is so much... not needed. Why are you going there? Please don't do that. Oh my god, they're delivering fuel here. That's so stupid. Mining designations. Yeah, I'm gonna leave this alone. Okay, so let's go into the gist of things. I did this like a few times. I never did it properly though, so I'm gonna have to see how that's gonna work for us in this manner. I don't have an ultimate setup for breeder reactors. I'll check. Look, I have some, but it's not the for the starting breeder reactors. We have the what is the breeder reactor here? So if I try to place this, this is my breeder reactor. Perfect, very beautiful, absolute eye candy. But that's not the best one. The best is the double breeder reactors. This is the ultimate. This is the ultimate power producer. Double breeder reactors. This is like tripling our current power production and stuff like that. But wait, what was he complaining about? Double breeder reactors place. Some part needs to be in the ocean. Yeah, of course. What we need to do here is we need to go back to the basics, and we're gonna have to go to nuclear, and we're gonna have to build a fast breeder reactor. So fast breeder reactor, it does have some outputs. We talked about this before. This is very if I missed a couple of varies, just add them in, but a very expensive building to make. Very beautiful, of course, as breeder reactors are, and it's my favorite building in this game. Initially, there is something here that we need to do. This is the enrichment, and we're gonna have to run the enrichment on full capacity, because this is what we're gonna be doing with the first breeder reactor. It will be producing steam, absolutely, yes, but we will be producing electricity as well, but not as much as you think. We're gonna be producing only, what was it? 1/4? Yeah, 1/4 of the power of the electricity that we're gonna need. So nuclear reactors we need the super breeder reactors. Is it super? Let's do it this way. This way. So we're gonna need a couple of these. I think it's only 2. Yeah, each one of them is 48. This is gonna be running on 100%, hopefully. So we have a lot of mathematical equations, a lot of math that we're gonna be doing. Which is, unfortunate, but hey ho. I'm thinking now, should I be using this steam to produce more water, since we're kind of running out of? No, we're fine. And then we're gonna need 4 of these. This is going to be... this is going to be our power production. So each one of these needs 18 megawatts of mechanical power. This one has 6 and 6, that's 12. This one has 12, so 12 and 6 is 18. This needs 18. So this and this is 1, this and this is 2, and each one of these has actually 18 megawatts of power. So this is the setup, how it's going to be running. Why are you complaining here? I have my doubts about you. Why are you saying that you're not connected? Oh. Really? I have no idea what was wrong there. Anyway, so this is going to be our power production, which is still significant. There's going to be 60 megawatts of power, which is like, what, 15% of our electricity? Something like that. 12 something percent of our electricity. This is what's going to be producing. I usually like to just put it like here, as close as possible. You can see I usually align it, this one with this one, and all the steam goes through here. This is going to be, by the way, all the pipes initially are going to be big pipes. So one over here, and do we need another one there? No, we can do with one. So I think I want it this way. And then from here to here, we're gonna need double pipes. Whoa. All right, that's fine. And then double pipes again from here to here, and single pipes in between. And then we have the leftover steam, which, yeah, I like, if I was nitpicking, I would like to turn this into desalinated water, which is net positive, but I'm really expecting to move these farms soon enough. So I think I might have excess water. Well, these are the pipes, so probably running one pipe over there, or even moving the breeder reactor closer. But this is just the tip of the iceberg of production that we're gonna have here. I usually like to have the water cooling tower here for recycling of the the reactor meltdown when it happens, and that's inevitable. I don't even want to say how many times it happened here already. And I found out that this might be good enough for us. And the first balancer is gonna be like this, and this is only 100, so this pipe is gonna be and here, initially, like I said, it's all, this reactor is going to be only for enriching, for creating two types of fuel. That would be plutonium and the 20% enriched fuel, I believe. But that's the other setup. So this is where the enrichment happens. These pipes are everything. In and out, balancing, it's going to be horrible initially. I don't think I have any of them saved here. Spider Coal, this is basic nuclear, we already talked about. Mining rail, early concrete, rail station, breeder, CPU manufacturing, biogas, basic thermal desalinators. No, I don't have any of these, so we're gonna have to do the mathematics from the beginning. And the alpha and omega is the reprocessing plant. So nuclear, where is the nuclear reprocessing plant? This is alpha and omega. You have several recipes. Initially we're going to be running only on this one. Only this, that's it. This is going to be processing spent MOX fuel into the blanket fuel and plus fission product. This one should be working perfectly, and this fission perfectly balanced. So this fission product should be stored straight away and can be discarded straight away after it's done. So it's never going to overload. This is never going to overload. We have the I'm gonna have to set notifications here, but we have the solid shredder like this, and then like this. This recipe needs to be set into the fizzled out fuel, and that's it. This is the getting rid of the nuclear waste. We have the second thing is blanket fuel, which needs to go in here, and this is where blanket fuel is being enriched into the enriched fuel. And then enriched fuel is used in the enrichment facilities, which is something that we did so many times. I think we're gonna need, I need to rebalance this, but I think we're gonna need 3 of these. We're gonna talk about this. Let's see the recipe first. So we need to produce this and this. These are the 2 things that we need to produce. So one of them can go with this one, and the other one can go for the other one. Okay, bear in mind that this doesn't show you the actual... oh my god, I'm totally missing stuff. This is coal mining. Can we just go? Okay, this is the uranium, ignore it, and iron. Iron, titanium, we're gonna need some titanium eventually, so I'm just thinking here. This is... I think all of these mountains are gonna have to go anyway, so might as well have some fun there. And this, how do I remove this? So if I remove these... Okay, it's the... Oh, perfect, that's it. That's it. Okay, that is it. So vehicles need to deliver the uranium, and they're doing it now. I think the best thing would be to build a conveyor belt there. But this is now done, guys. This is it. If we get rid of these rocks... actually, I can just remove this. And this, and this, and this, and this, and this. Just having them remove all of this, and we can probably just build conveyor belt from down here to there. How much do we need? How much are we processing? I'm gonna go for the biggest one because that looks like a lot. I don't know why it's doing that. Maybe I'm just not seeing the big picture here. I think I just don't understand how this works. I think I'm gonna do it this way. And I'm gonna... Can I copy this? No, only one by one segment. I can just build the new overpass. I guess that should be it. Okay, let's build that. Okay, I need to get this one through, guys. Okay, are you done? Let's remove this. Okay. Okay, let's just build those. That's gonna save me some trip, huh? Some trip uphill. Why is this guy? Because uranium mine is not working. Okay, let's unpause that. Luckily for us, we have a lot. Okay, do I need to speed this up? You know what? Initially, I will speed this up, just because we might need it. Okay, you do that. That is all done. These vehicles looks like they can pass this way now, but no need because conveyor belts are going to be doing most of the work. Okay, low supply of rubber. Let's see what's with that. Rubber production here, 81%, 81%, 100%. Why is it 81%? Full output. Looks like somebody just picked up a lot of rubber and that's it. Okay, so rubber, go away. Low supply of corn, we'll work on that. Low supply of sugar. I'm kind of skeptical about this. Look, production is messed up for some reason. I think that's related to water, and this is what's related to this. I'll handle this off screen. I don't want to do this now. We're gonna go back to breeder reactors, which is actually we're already over time. So let me just check how much time we had. 10 and 5. Yeah, we're over time. Okay, I'll finish this setup and I'm gonna explain it in a second. Right, I decided to go against that I will not demonstrate the nuclear industries now. It's all gonna be about the moving of our food production off the island. It doesn't create any CO2 or pollution, so it can be elsewhere or everything. All the pollution is gonna be on our main island. We're gonna be recycling it, and this is the episode about moving the food production and preserving water. Nuclear, next one. Thank you for watching, or fast breeder reactors. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, press the like button. If you didn't, leave a nasty comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, notification bell, ring it, comment section, hit it. And if you want to support the channel, have the description of the video. See you next one. Bye bye.